Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock a bird on Angry Birds 2. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Angry Birds game and then complete the tutorial, and once you do, you will unlock the first level. After unlocking the first level, go ahead and play through the level, and before you start level 1, you will see a key between level 1 and 2 which looks just like this. So go ahead and complete the first level, and when you do, you will receive the key that is shown between level 1 and 2. Once you receive this key, you will be prompted to unlock any given character within your screen. From this page, you can simply tap on any character that you want, and provided that you have acquired the key between level 1 and 2, you will be able to unlock one character besides the red bird. And as you can see, I have unlocked the black bird with the first key that I received. That is how you can unlock birds on Angry Birds 2. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.